EA Sports, the game. In this case, I'm back to the game. And guys, a few days ago, I opened a 3000 gem daily bundle pack. You know what that is? This one right here. And just look at what I got. Just look. Yeah, so I opened it and just see. Netherlands. Right wing. Hero. 110 OVR Kaut. Dirk Kaut. Literally, guys. And I packed it from the daily bundle. Literally, guys. Oh my god. But today we're gonna be putting this card to the test because today I will be reviewing this card so that you guys can decide if this card is good for your team or not. Alright guys, on to the stats. So as you can see, I have ranked him up till red rank and trained him up till full 25 level. And first of all, he has 5-star stamina, really good. But he has only 3-star skill moves. Okay, really disappointing since he is a Kaut card, but alright. And he can play as a right mid, cam, and a striker too, which is really good. He's really versatile. And then 167 pace. Oh my god, that is absolutely crazy. Guys, 167 pace is really high. That is insane. He will be really fast, that means. Oh my god. Then 143 shooting, which is really good. Then 127 passing, which is decent. Then oh my god, 172 dribbling. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely crazy. 172 dribbling is so high. And in fact, it is more than most 111 rated cards. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. 98 defending, which is pretty good for a right winger. And then 111 physical, which is really good. Okay, so his stats are really good. Then on to the traits. His main skill move is roulette, and then he has the early crosser trait, which is good. And then he of course has the power header trait also. Guys, if you don't know, Kaut in real life was a really good header. And then his work rate for attacking is high, and for defending it is high also. So that is really good. I think he should have had the finisher trait also since he's Kaut, but it's okay. Alright, on to the gameplay. Alright guys, on to the first match. Let's see if Kaut can perform or not. The opponent has a decent team. I could not show it, but let's kick off. Oh no. Oh no, he has made a cross. Oh no! He has scored an early goal. A header by Nedved. Oh no. But I think we can come back. Okay, Mane. Pass to Forlan. Very good run by Forlan. Okay. Finish shot, shoot. Yes. Good goal. Good goal. Okay, we get a throw and I'll throw to Isco. Okay, Isco pass to Forlan. Forlan shoot. Oh my god. What a great goal. Very good. Okay, pass to Forlan. Oh, what a nasty tackle was that. Oh, red card. Really good. He's down to 10 players now. Okay, Kaut gets the ball. Okay, roulette. Oh my god, really good. Okay, he's really fast. Still Kaut. Kaut on the run. Can he score? Okay, cut back. Oh my god, finish shot. Score. Oh, yes. What a goal. Really good goal. Solo goal. Very good. Guys, he's got insane dribbling and he is really fast. Okay, Forlan pass to Kaut. Okay. Oh no. It was intercepted. Oh, okay. We get it back. Okay. Shoot. Oh no. Such a great chance missed. He tackled me. I was too late. Oh no. Okay, the match ends and I think Kaut performed good. Really good. Alright, on to the next match and the opponent has a pretty good team. Let's see if Kaut will play good or not. Okay, this is their team. It is a good team. Okay, we kick off. Okay, Mane on the run. Pass to Forlan, very good. Okay, Forlan. Okay, very good skill. Finish shot, shoot. Oh, yes. Really good goal. Okay, Kaut on the run. I think he can score. Roulette. Oh no, the opponent pushed me. I think it should be... Yes, it is a foul. We get a penalty, really good. I'll go to the right. And yes. What a penalty, really good. Oh no, I think they're gonna score. Oh my god, what a save by Ibrahimovic. Oh no. Oh my god, what a scissor kick. Lautaro Martinez has scored. Okay, Isco passes to Kaut and...
Messi, immens Messi, encara Messi, gol, 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 gol,
my days, what a goal have I scored. He has so insane dribbling, guys. I cannot tell you, so smooth dribbling. Oh my god. And the match ends, and what a performance from Kaut it has been. Alright, on to the last match, and the opponent has a mid team. This is his team, pretty mid, and we kick off. Alright, Kaut has the ball. Let's see if he can score. Good use of pace. Okay, keep going. Still Kaut. And okay, cut back. Rule it. Really good. Oh my god. Finish shot, finish shot. And oh my god, what a solo goal. He keeps scoring crazy solo goals, guys. What a goal. Really good, guys. He has insane dribbling. I keep repeating this, guys. Alright, Forlan on the run. Forlan. Still Forlan. Lane change. Okay, very good. And yes, very good. Good goal. Oh no, hard tackle. Oh, I missed. Oh no. We have conceded a goal, guys. But I still think we're gonna win. It's okay. Okay, guys, the match ends, and Kaut had a great performance, and this was the last match. So, alright, guys, now it's time for the final verdict. So, my final verdict is that this card has really explosive pace. I mean, it is so fast. I can not tell you. You will have to experience it yourself. It is really fast. Okay, and then he has great shooting, especially his finish shots are really good. Then his passing is also good. And but guys, the best thing about this card by far is its dribbling. Its dribbling is literally so smooth. It has really insane dribbling, guys, really. And guys, his defending for a right winger, it is really good. For a right winger, his defending is pretty good, guys. Alright, guys, on to the disadvantages. So, first of all, the biggest disadvantage of this card is that it only and only has roulette unlocked as its skill move. Only roulette. No other skill move. No lane change, no rainbow flick, nothing. Which is a pretty big downgrade, but it's okay. I can manage. And then the second disadvantage is, even though this card has 111 physical, I have come to the conclusion that this card has a little low physical. Like, even if some player pushes you even a little bit, he just falls, and obviously the referee does not give a foul. But this is a pretty small disadvantage, so it's okay. And then, guys, a major disadvantage is that it only and only has three-star skill moves, which is a pretty big disadvantage, but it's okay because in game his skill moves are pretty good because he obviously only has roulette unlocked. But guys, overall, if I tell you, this card is like almost perfect. It has really great pace, it has really good finish shots, and it has absolutely insane dribbling. So if you want a right wing card, I think that this is one of the best right wing cards that you can get in the whole game. Anyways, guys, that was it for this video. See you in another amazing video. Bye bye.
The end.